Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. Today is Thursday, September the 2nd, 2010, and it's time to look at the markets. Okay, before we get started, I got a couple of announcements to make. I've been on quasi-vacation all week long, and I go on vacation for real tomorrow, first thing in the morning, actually tonight. So don't expect a Friday market analysis from me until the upcoming Monday, which is still a holiday in the U.S., so you won't miss anything, but it'll be posted Monday, okay? So be looking for that, and let's look at these markets right quick, okay? All right, first off, we can see right here by looking at the NASDAQ, the 6-month daily chart, you can see if we pull out the tools, you've had another day to the upside, makes sense here, and we think you can still see more upside here. You've got more room to go on the slow stock, so we're looking for this move here. The main thing to do here, though, is just look at the size of this gap. Half of yesterday's move to the upside was a gap up. That's not a quality advance. A quality advance has got certain characteristics to it. It's got strong buy volume behind it. It's got all these little signals you look for that shows that this is actually quality. When it's not quality, it's a fool's rally and it's not something that's actually going to sustain. And so we've been talking about all week long, this is your true trend. These are your counter trends. Okay, these fail again and again and again. So you're looking for these to fail and you look for their peaks and short them. That's the trick there. That's what you're looking to do. Okay, this case is no different. We're watching this guy run up here. We think he's got a little bit more room to go to the upside. But again, this is very weak. We expect this to fail and move lower. So again, we're just playing the top-down method we talked about yesterday. We're looking for the short opportunity, okay? And we're looking for that slow stock to pull up to the 80 line where we want to hit that, okay? A quick look at the volume of today. Very, very weak. Note this very weak volume here. You got to discount a lot of the volume that you've seen yesterday, even though it was still weak. It's even weaker than you think because there's a lot of guys that were covering shorts in that situation. So that's actually not true buy volume situation. This is a very weak rally we've seen before. When these weak rallies happen, you fail. Okay, so all the signs are there. We're just letting this guy bounce before we go in there and kill it. Quick look at the Russell 2000 Small Cap Index. I believe this one still got more room to go to the upside. Again, slow stock is not quite there yet. You want to wait for that to happen before you get in there. We do have a gap down here. We also know that this is actually going to fail. You've got an uptrend here, a downtrend here. We've already talked about this before. So again, nothing more here than a weak counter trend rally, and we're looking for that short opportunity. You're probably going to be seeing a lot of people, a lot of markets averages testing this 200 day moving average, maybe above it like we did back here. Look for that kind of a move there. All in all, you want to be looking for the short opportunity, not the long opportunity. And if you are long this market, that's your choice, but keep a tight stop, okay? Quick look here at the gold chart. We don't have today's activity on the chart just yet. It was up today. The reason why I wanted to show you this chart is, like I said, she's getting overextended and you do not want to be a buyer of gold here. And if you are long gold, keep a tight stop. Yesterday you had the inverted hammer. You're also showing the inverted hammer, remember, is a sell signal, and they don't go away just because the market goes up the next day. It's still a sell signal. This here is showing a downtrend while the price activity is showing an uptrend. That's a bearish divergence. You do not want to trust that. You want to trust that, and that tells you to look for this thing to be growing weaker and rolling over. So keep an eye on that. Gold there is not a situation that I want to be a buyer of. Quick look here at the Dow Jones Industrial Average. You closed above on Friday. I'm sorry, on Wednesday, yesterday, you closed above the 50-day moving average just slightly, and then today we found that as acting as support, just short-term support, and you're now closed above the middle Bollinger Band line. This guy is going to make a move up here for this 200-day moving average. We know that's going to be unsustainable. It has not been sustainable since we broke through it in a flash crash, and we keep bouncing above, we keep getting knocked down below it. So we're looking for that opportunity. You've seen the same thing we talked about yesterday on the FTSE. They are playing above the 200-day moving average, but just can't hold it. So keep that in mind, and again, wait for this guy to pull back up here to the 80 line before you get involved there. I will be taking new short positions next week when I get back from vacation, and it'll be on Tuesdays when our live trading course starts. You can go to our free website at perfectstockalert.com. Check it out there, 100% free website. Pretty cool bunch of group of traders there, all a lot of free information, free alerts, and all kinds of cool stuff for everybody who's cool. All right, so check that all out, and I'll see you guys when I get back. Gonna have a lot of fun, and hope you guys do enjoy your 3-day weekend as well. I'm extending mine to a 4-day weekend. Yes, awesome. Okay, quick look at our disclaimer. The disclaimer, read it and weep. Awesome. Like I said, I'll be gone until next Tuesday when the markets open up again because we'll be closed here in the U.S. on Monday. So do not expect a market analysis from me again on Friday. Expect it to be on uh, posted on our website on Monday. Okay, so that'll be covering what happened on Friday and what we see and so forth and so on. Again, I am just waiting for this market to get overextended again so I can add to a short strategy. Okay, very cool, very easy. I'll be looking for inverse ETFs, be looking for overbought conditions on individual stocks, and again, you can find all that information on our free website at perfectstockalert.com. I'd like to thank everybody for their support. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. That helps us stay free, and we appreciate that. God bless. Take care. Enjoy your weekend. Be safe. And again, I'll see you when I get back.